You dey find real Yoruba gist, culture, truth, and vibes. Now here dey. Arole Baba Tenten Media. No dollar. Subscribe. Sharp, sharp.
If you know what I had gone through, you will not come here. I'm not your mate. If people are talking in Nigeria, and people are supposed to be giving honors in Nigeria, I should be one of the first people to be giving. I stood by my people. I come from a long line of people who had money, old money, not new money. A long line of intellectuals. King Amakri, on whose stool, second stool I'm sitting today as Dabaya Makri the first, was the first black man, go and Google it, to have an ocean liner in the whole of this world. Amakri, go and Google it. He was the first black man to have his name engraved in a legal tender in Europe, in the city of Liverpool. Go and Google it. That's my ancestry. That's the Amakri that I am. I am Harry. My father is Justice Melford Goodhead. I'm not on your level. I'm the first son of Justice Melford Goodhead. I'm a Malabite. I had the best of the best in life. Whatever I am today, I chose it for myself. I chose poverty for myself. I chose suffering for myself. Look at my other siblings. If you want to find, go and look at my other siblings, my younger ones, who they are, where they are working. Even my kids, go and find out who they are, where they are working. So I'm not on your level. I'm not your type of people who normal hustle. You go and hustle. You walk in a vision, in a bubble. You walk. Either you go and carry drugs. You trek through the Sahara Desert to cross to Europe. You foolishly pay so much money. You do 419. You do this, and then you you have money. No. My money had lasted for over 300 years. Come to my house. Have I gotten any government appointment before? If government after government respects me, that they know who I am. They know my pedigree. If today I can become the Amainabo of the most important place, I don't want to call myself king because I am not. There's a king, the Amakri on the first stool is king of Calabar. But if I can become where Calabari people, everything that makes up Calabari people, where it is, that is where I am Amainabo. That is where I preside over. I don't want anybody relevant. Who in Nigeria will make me relevant? Who among you? Who is among people who I am an Abam. I am from Obom. That is the last place in Igbo land. That is where all Igbo stood. Obom was the last place all Igbo stood to fight British imperialism. British invasion. The last people standing were Obom people. I am an Obom man. So when you come from this corner, naked, or totally naked, primitive part of Igbo land. You want to come and talk to an Obom man? And a German couple with being an Amakri and an Obom man, Ediabale. We know ourselves. Social media is cheap. You make cheap money. You go to Malaysia, you go to this place. So just keep your lane. Day your day, make a day my day. My mouth no good or my hand no good. Maybe, hey, we go do this, we go do this. No, no, no. When the doing comes, if you see where to do oil bunkering, you don't go do you. I've never done oil bunkering. Look, go and see my charge sheet. I have been arrested more than 73 times. I've been arrested not for theft, not for bunkering, not for rape, not for kidnapping, but that I stood by my people. So all these things you are talking, I talk. There is no government that have not been there. You are saying 70 years old man. That is what will give me relevance. You, this man, in social media, is that if I want to monetize my page, do you know how much I will get? Do you know how much people get because of me? But that is not the money I'm looking for. What I do is to say the truth. So forget about it. I'm not going to talk about it. So Zoro Mandani had changed the political landscape of the world, not just in New York. Yes, New York is important. The greatest city in the world, the most expensive city in the world, the UN is there, and so on. That somebody left, his parents left India, came to Uganda, stayed in Uganda, and from Uganda, he migrated to the United States of America. And when everybody was afraid, don't say you are a Muslim. He said, I'm a Muslim. That's what gives me, oh man, I'm in love with this man. That's what I tell everybody. When everybody say, oh, don't be talking, I am a Muslim. I am a Muslim. I have said la. And it has not taken, it has always advanced me amongst my people because they know where I am, that I stand on a high moral platform. My people know me. Do you know what Amakrekpeke means? The shield of Kalabari people. Kalabari don't give titles. You acquire your own by mind and wealth. You don't know me. Sitting on a wheelchair. Okay. I sit on a wheelchair. You don't know the miracle. I sit on a wheelchair. Anytime when the thing come, I stand up. Anytime when the thing happen, I stand up. How many push-up can you do? How many push-up can you do? Just keep on talking. You don't even know your history. You don't know where you come from. You don't have anything. You just come to other people. You make us look belligerent in the front of people. You make us look as people who are toxic in front of people. Yeah, so 70 years old man. You make us look toxic in front of people. You bring you bring negative wave towards us. And you see so many people, Ikwere people, even Eche people, which is one of the dispersal point of Igbo people. Everybody say we are not Igbo. We are not Igbo. People are running down to become a Jaws. People are running down to Benin when they are not Benin to become Benin people. They are smaller than Igbo. Why are people running from Igbo? This attitude will not help you. I didn't stand by my people and they will give me, You are not from my place, and they will give me Amakri. You are somewhere. They will give me Amakri Ekpeke. They will make me Amayanabo. You think it's easy for somebody to become Amayanabo and nobody? I abandon those that fought with me. Angel's wife is living with me. Angel's wife, Fema, is living in my house. Angel's daughter is under my scholarship. You don't know. Now that you have called Angel, call Fema. Where is she living? She's living with me. She's living in my house. Angel's daughter is under my scholarship. It shock you, I think. Oh. Make it continue to shock you. So, Zoro Mandani has changed the political landscape of the world. It has shown that a bully will not always succeed. When we were in school, in primary school, you see these bullies. They will take your food, they will take your footwear, they will beat you. And me, they know me. Oshanwo, that's what they call me after the war. Oshanwo, go and ask people in Port Harcourt town. No matter how big you are, I might not have the physical strength. I will torment you until you surrender. Ask my mates. They will tell you who I am. Those who live with us, half a white, Tekena Okumba. Go and ask them in Port Harcourt Township where I live. They know me. They know they agree. Don't carry trouble, go meet them. Before my father came back from the northeast as a state consul, and I had to transfer to Old GRA and Esikoli Street. And every time I go back to town, they know me. I still maintain my relationship with my childhood friends that will grow up, my brothers, with Tekena, with everybody. So when you talk, so Mandani refused to deny that he's a Muslim. He refused to shave his beard. He recites the Quran. He goes to the mosque. Maybe even before he started campaigning, he was not going to the mosque. He stood up. When they say, I will go to Israel, this one said that Israel is not going. This is the first person that has fought APAC. All the billionaires in Nigeria, in the United States of America, he fought them to stand still. And that's what I expect citizens of Nigeria to do. Somebody will not just come up and tell you, you are a shit country, you are a disgraced country, and you are a Nigerian. That is treason. That is treason against father's land. Even if you don't like Nigeria, you are a black man, you are an African. Somebody say Africa is shithole. After coming here to take our resources, after paying people like you, all of you are aspiring, volunteered, neo-colonialist agent. Neo-colonialist agent, imperialist agents. Pseudo-intellectuals. Look at that young man, Madani, how he stood up. 35 years. I will deport you. I will do this. We are going to use this bullshit. Look at the message he sent to lunatic Trump today. That is what it's called. Oyibo brasime. Oyibo brasime. Oyibo brasime. Yero oyibo iremaso oyibo. Oyibo iremaso oyibo. Waye jinebia. You're a man, I'm a man. We will face each other. You're in America, which America? The people in Korea that give birth to North Korea, they are not human beings like us. They are not human beings like us. The people in Vietnam, they are not human beings like us. The people in Afghanistan, they are not human beings like us. The people in South Africa, they are not human beings like us. Zoro Mandani is not a human being like us. It must come from one unknown planet now. What you are even saying, there is no basis for it. There is no history of it. The man you are glorifying knows himself that he does not have that capacity. He's just an ordinary bully. And it is sad for Nigeria to capitulate. It is sad for Nigeria to capitulate. Like I said this morning, which is in the night yesterday. Like I said this morning, which is night in Nigeria. All the comment I've listened to people from all other countries outside Nigeria. All the comment I've listened to most of the commentators and analysts all over the world from everywhere in the world. And that's why they are shocked. Oh, they have gone to pay influencers. Nobody paid anybody. Tinubu did not pay anybody. I have not spoken to Tinubu. He did not give anybody a dime. That I know very well. It's only Nigerians who want green card, who want to run to America, to go and do 419, to go and do this thing. That's what they want to go and do. That's what they want to go and do. 3 major tribes. Look at how stupid somebody will imagine. A country that has more than 200 ethnic nationality. Who major in Nigeria? Who make Igbo, Yoruba, Hausa major tribe in Nigeria? Is it not part of internal colonialism? Who make major? Where have they had authentic census in Nigeria? They say Nigeria is 200 million. Nigeria is that. Who said Nigeria is 200 million? Who said so? 200 million people cannot vote with all the rigging. Any election we do in Nigeria, the rigging is 300%. So if 20 million people voted, maybe 6.5 million are the real voters. All the others are rigging. 200 million people. We've never voted 60 million. With all the rigging. It's going to be, that is if you are alive. You know the people who started all the crisis in Libya? How many of them? There was one small girl. There was one small girl. That was, they killed her husband. They killed her in Libya. One small girl. She was always on Al Jazeera commenting. She was at CNN commenting about Gaddafi. They killed her husband. The day I saw her on television crying that they had killed her husband, they cut her husband's body to pieces, and then she tried to run away, and they killed her. How many people have survived this crisis you are calling for? Tinubu is going to be the last president of Nigeria. So if Tinubu is the last president, do you think it's easy? So you and Tinubu now, if anything is going to happen, you and Tinubu, who have the best opportunity to protect himself? Who had the best opportunity to protect himself? You and Tinubu? Between you and Tinubu? Between you and Tinubu, who has the best opportunity to protect himself? You have not eaten your fill. You are just talking. You have not eaten your fill. I've eaten, to pay to come to China. I paid more than 20 million business class. I paid for my children. My children are in Europe. My children are in Turkey. My children are in China. You, where are your children? People are talking, you are talking. Huh? Not only my children. The ones living with me. So, Emeroji, even if you bring your children, so before Tinubu, I know they chop. So if I chop Tinubu money, if they give you no go take. If they give you no go take. Always praying for evil. When a people don't wish their country well, always wish their country evil, how can the country be good? Out of the abundance of the heart, the mouth speaketh. So Jerome has changed the whole, everything in the world. And that's what every people, progressive all over the world, to look up to. Jerome had changed everything. I never struggled to become president. If I want to be president, I will certainly be. George, you and I have had this discussion indoors severally. We have discussed these issues severally. And it's unfortunate that government after government, Goodluck was there, he left. Yaradua was there, he left. Goodluck came, there was hardly any improvement. Goodluck left. Buhari came, Buhari will stamp them out. It became worst. Now, my friend, Tinubu had come. And there are so many interests, like I told you, so many interests that do not like this country within the government. And as president, first, you must extract yourself from the people and become an ordinary leader, an ordinary person. And that's the Tinubu I knew before he became president. That's the Tinubu I knew before he became president. Tinubu was a sponsor of Pronaco. He was one of the pillars of Nadeco. He was in the trenches. So he does not need anybody to come and give him a tweet from somebody, come and give him a video clip from somebody. He had the time on his own to read newspapers, to look at social media, to direct, to call service chiefs, to call GOCs, and take first-hand security report from them. To call the Secret Service, to take first-hand security report from them. I don't believe that there's anything in Aso Rock holding people down. Except you want to go and you want to be held down by anything. I don't believe in it. I don't believe in it. People have. You don't listen to people's interest. People will be in your government. They'll be sabotaging your government. And they continue to be inside your government. And they make you make enemies to your genuine friends. They make you to take decisions. I was listening to Good Luck. That people don't want to go. At least when Good Luck was there, I had access to Good Luck. I go to Asari Rock. And I tell him things. And he will not listen to me. Well, good, yes, he will not listen. And at the end of the day, everything I told him was true. Everything I told Good Luck was true. He himself knows. The people that were this thing, oh, this one today, where are they? Are they telling him anything? Good Luck wanted to remove Ejirika. I stood against the whole of the John nation. I stood against every John man. As one of the leaders of the John people, I said there was no need to change Ejirika. I became an enemy of my senior in secondary school. Myself and Minima were schoolmates.
Waiting you they wait for. If you never subscribe to Arole Baba 1010 Media and TV, you dey miss street gist.